Here is a video to teach you how to type Chinese on Google Doc. First, you are going to open a brand new Google Doc. So here is the Google Drive. You are going to click and then add a Google Doc. Okay? And then this document is typing Chinese on Google Doc. So first, you are going to go to File to select Language. Please choose the bottom, from the bottom, 5th. And then the language looks like 中文 Simplify. So I'm going to the file and then go to the very bottom and then go to the bottom 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot read any of these, but it's the bottom 5th. So you pick this. Now the language setting already been changed into Chinese. Okay, so now you are going to find a icon with this word. I'm going to make this big. Okay, so it should be here. If I click on this 3 dots, the 3 dots, and then pick this word here. So as you can see, it's this word. Okay, and then you are all set. You may start to type now. You may start typing now. How? So for example, I'm going to type hello. It's 你好. So here I'm going to type 你好. 你好. I do know that if I'm writing in pinyin, that should be N-I-H-A-O. But these are not Chinese character. I need to use the feature to type Chinese character. So I will select the 3 dots and I'm going to use this. When this popping out, I know I am typing Chinese. This half moon means it's the half shape. Okay, you don't need to worry about this. And I'm going to type now. So please watch this. I am going to select one more time. It looks like it's the number 1. So I will select 1. And then the character popping out. H-A-O, that's also 1. So the trick is you need to be, so if you are not doing that, you are going to click it to make it back. Also pick the first one. Then make that into English, then you can use this. So be observant. If you're observant, then you will be able to select the right one.